What is up, you guys? My name is Kenny Campbell, or Notre Dame. Today I'm playing Farm Simulator 19, and let me just get these done. And we are actually harvesting corn today. I started yesterday, and I'm sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. You guys, I'm really sorry about that, guys. And we're back now. Now let's start getting harvesting corn. I did this yesterday. I got all that yard side finished. We're gonna come in here with the big one of the staggers. In a couple when we get this whole field finished. And then you guys have a good